Hey guys, Ron here. It's Friday. Time for another weird magic unboxing. Something I found very interesting. Alright guys, here we go. Okay guys, this is a waterproof hard case for Mavic, and the quality seems pretty amazing. They're a hard case, very solid. All the cutouts are hard foam, nice. Plus it's got soft foam in the top. But the quality of this thing is pretty amazing. Double locking latches in the front, plus areas for locks in the corners, and it's supposed to be 100% waterproof, shockproof. Now, according to Amazon, where I found this, there's a bunch of them, and the original list price was $299. Couldn't believe it. A lot of Pelican cases have that. That's a vapor release or pressure release. It's a one-way valve if you go into a high pressure situation or underwater. So according to them, originally it was $299 list. I went through probably 60 of them with this same exact unit with different names on them, which the Chinese seem to like to do. It's called Powerextra. They're identical, a lot of them. And so I came across this one. I had to go through a huge amount of listings, and I did, and it came out to $44.95. For that price, it's tremendous value. And also I needed another tablet, so I grabbed another Galaxy Elite E 8-inch tablet, a 7-inch tablet, $44.95, $69.95 I think. But we'll see. Anyway, I'll pack up the Mavic in here and see how she fits and see how she is. But so far, the quality is exceptional. Really impressed. I can't wait to get a piece of junk so I can say, man, this thing is terrible. But I haven't been that unlucky so far. Alright guys, out for now. Okay guys, here she is loaded up. Like I got 14 propellers in there, in that slot. Power supply, Mavic with battery, spare battery, controller, cable, and there's room for one more battery, so you can do 3 batteries. This thing is like laser cut, hard foam, very dense, very nice quality. I'm really impressed with it. It's it's as good as a Pelican case easily, and a fifth the price. I mean, this thing is worth every penny. I paid $49.95. I looked it up. I mean, this thing's worth $100 all day long minimum. It's really a nice piece. All right, so that's the exciting news for the day. And it's so much better than a soft case with zippers, because the zippers are a pain in the ass sometimes to open. These things, 2 clicks, positive lock, plus we've got room on the corners for padlocks if you want, if you really think you need to do that. So, got too much tech on the brain. Alright, I'll take a look at that tablet too. That's going to be for the Inspire. So the Inspire has its own tablet, Mavic has its own tablet, Osmo has his own tablet. Everybody's got their own stuff. And let's look at the hinges on this thing too. Everything's double latch, double protected for waterproof. I'm gonna go dunk it in the bathtub in a little bit. Hey guys, Ron here. We're gonna take this new tablet, and get the DJI Go app going, get it hooked up to this guy, and run the flight simulator. Sorry about the fan in the background, but it's too hot. Anyway, the places are wrecked. We got too much going on. Lots of giveaways still. You guys need to start signing in for these giveaways. Sign up, subscribe, let's go. We're getting there now. Alright guys, we'll be back. Out for now. Once I get this hooked up and the simulator running, we'll look at the Inspire simulator. Okay, out. Okay guys, Ron here, using my brand new $49 Samsung tablet on the Inspire 1 simulator. Also, to run the simulator, you have to have both the aircraft on and the remote and everybody linked. And here we go. Let's go for a ride. It's actually pretty intuitive. It's good. And the radar works well and the map, so it really helps to get used to, if you're not used to orientation on these things, how to work the angles and heads up and do full circles and stuff. Radar really helps. Plus all the gauges work too, which is nice. You can fly all your distances. And let's return to home. Check it out.
Go home.
And everything functions like it would if you were out in the field. You can see the telemetry. She'll stay at height, or actually ascend if it's below the height set. I have it set for 196 feet, I think. So it'll ascend to 196, come in parallel, and then descend to home. So,
Landing gear lowering.
pretty interesting. Change perspective there. That motor you hear is the fan in the Inspire. There's also one in the controller, I think, but I've never heard it. There's one definitely in the Mavic controller. Also, you can start her up like, and when you do that, the lights on the Inspire itself does its thing.
Landing gear raising.
Different perspective. Let's change the perspective again.
Landing gear lowering.
So, like, heads up, you can, once you set this guy, you can watch it in radar. You don't have to actually look at the image to see where she's going. And she actually shows the drift. When you, see? She's now basically crabbing. I can change that perspective. So you gotta bring her in sideways, you see? So, it can be tricky if you're not used to it. Gotta get that orientation just right. Anyway, it's pretty intuitive. It's not bad at all. It's gonna come to me now because she's sideways crabbing again. And we'll bring it in. Pretty impressive, fun. Alright guys, well, I'll be back out for now. Also, what's interesting, as you do that, all the controls, like for the camera, do their thing. So if you follow FPV, you can do follow mode, you can do FPV, you can do free, and you can do straight up, forward and down, which means camera control. Free means the camera is going to be free from motion of the aircraft. It's not locked. FPV is a first person view, you know what that is. And follow, it's going to follow the object, lock onto an object, and wherever the aircraft goes, the camera's going to try to lock onto that item. Anyway, it's pretty impressive. Alright guys, out for now. Hey guys, Ron here. So I took this case outside with a garden hose and soaked the crap out of it on a high pressure. Not a drop got inside. I was too lazy to go outside and make a video of it. But I also submerged it in a bathtub, and it wouldn't. I couldn't submerge it because it's plastic and airtight. It would just pop up, but it would float, and I held it under. Not a drop of moisture got inside. So that's impressive. $44.95 shipped. Alright, out for now. I'll be back. Happy flying.